Welcome back to the KOM Morning News on Fox 14. Joining us in studio for almost Cinco de Mayo.
That's right.
Is the lovely Charlene Patton. And even though it's not Cinco de Mayo, you've made it here on Taco Tuesday, and you happen to have the perfect recipe for us.
It's perfect, isn't it?
It works out all the time. And tacos are great anytime, really. You
They
don't need
sure
to be
are.
Tuesday.
And this is a heart-healthy recipe. It was a winner in the Kansas State Fair Heart-Healthy Recipe Contest.
Okay.
I'll let you tell who won this recipe.
Yeah, it looks like Denise Pounds from Hutchinson, Kansas submitted this award-winning recipe.
And she got first place,
Okay.
and you're going to see why. There's several steps to this recipe, so we're going to get started with the dressing that actually goes on it. I'm going to start with the taco seasoning. You can use 1 package of taco seasoning, and then I'm going to let you add these ingredients. Some lemon juice, or lime juice. Did I say lemon? It's lime.
Lime juice,
Lime
okay.
juice,
All
that's
right.
right. Vegetable oil, which is our soybean product, we'll add that. And then I put these ingredients together here. We have honey in there. We have some Worcestershire sauce.
Okay.
And some soy sauce. Okay, mix that all together. You'll see how nice that makes it a mixture. And then what you do with this is these are soy chicken breaded nuggets.
Okay.
You can find them in the frozen food section. You'll want to get a breaded one. They're already ready to go in the oven, but before they go in the oven, take a pastry brush and brush. I take about 2 tablespoons out of this.
Okay.
And brush it with that, and then follow the directions on the package. And then when they come out, just drizzle them a little bit more. This we're going to use for another recipe then. So we
Okay.
took 2 tablespoons out, and then I am going to let you make your taco. She has a flour tortilla taco. She suggested folding it slightly, putting it in your toaster to toast it.
Okay.
So that's why you've got that. You can take your soy chicken there and fill it up however you want. And then the other part of the recipe she suggested was putting on some, this is Monterey Jack cheese. And then she has 2 different kind of salsas there. I'll let you put that on your cheese. This is a ranch dressing that you mix with the equal amounts of ranch and salsa.
Okay.
So I've already mixed it for you, and you can I've got a spoon there for you, and you can put that on.
Okay.
And then this is a mixture of tomatoes and onions. I think we've got some cilantro in there and some jalapeno peppers. And you can put on what you want of that. And she says use whatever portions your family likes. It's got a little lime juice and a little salt.
Okay.
Now, how does that look?
It's looking pretty good
I
so
think it
far.
does too.
You never have enough chicken or cheese.
Exactly.
There we go. All right.
And so we've got a display over here. Next week, we're going to do the other part of her recipe that is a Southwest bean salad that goes with it. But congratulations to her.
Yeah, absolutely. This is an amazing recipe. So, Charlene, real quick, where can folks go if they would like this recipe or more information on other recipes this month?
They can go to kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number 877-KS-SOYBEAN.
All right. And, of course, we'll have this information at KOAMNewsNow.com. We'll be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.